future we are going to learn how to draw isometric. That time the question is here, and based on this question you have to imagine and then draw this. So that is later on when we will learn isometric drawings. Now let's take this third figure. Now this third figure again is given here like this, and then this is the direction of viewing, and then you have to draw the front view, the top view, and then the right hand side view drawn on the left side of front view. So what do you see in this direction? This rectangle is there, even this is also there, and this is continuous. There is no change of surface. So again, this line is given wrong. This line should not be there. This is a plain L shape, single surface. The size is 75 plus whatever is there. Now they have not given, I think this, let us assume this as 25 because it is seen almost like this. So 75 plus 25, it is 100, yes, it is written here 100. So this whole thing is 100. So 100 size is there, vertical size is 20 and 20. So no, 20, this should be 40. See, this is 20. How can this be 20? This also is 20. This is 20. This is also 20. So the total is 40. So again, mistake is here. Make this as 40. Consider this as 40. So 20 plus 40 or 20, 20, 20. Total 60. So the height is 60. So 100 by 60, that is the overall size. So when you start here, when you draw the front view, this is taken as 100. So this line is this line. Then vertical 60 is vertical 60. And after that 25, 25. Then you come down, and from on this side 20 here. So 20 here, then horizontal, come down from 25, and then you will be able to draw this shape. So this entire surface is this surface. Now after this surface, you can think of drawing this surface because that is also seen. So this surface, if you see, this 75, out of that 25 is gone. So this is 50. So here, from here to here 50, and then height is 20, so this is 50 by 20. Then the next is again 50 by 20. So that the height is 20, 20, 20, total is 60. So these two rectangles, they are these two. So which is the surface you have seen? This surface, this surface. This surface, this surface. This surface, this surface. Okay, so that becomes the front view. Now when you see from top, what you will see? You will see the width is still the same 100. So within this 100 you have to fit. So draw these vertical lines. And when you see from vertical, what is this size? This size is 75. Because it is 25, then another 25, and then another 25. So 25, 25, 25. So this is 75. So the top view when you draw 75 by 100. So 100 is already there. So this is how you begin. You draw 75 by 100 rectangle. That is the overall shape. Now in this, what you will see? First thing is you will see this L shape from top. 25 and 50. So 25 and 50. So this line is this line. This line is this line. So you reach here means you reach here. After that this line, but this line is only up to, total is from here 75. So out of that this is 25. So this is 50. You know, we have drawn 50 earlier. So when you take this reference line, so when you draw some construction line, that becomes easy. So you draw just this shape. So now I am just moving on this outline. This outline is this outline. Top surface. So this becomes the top surface, which is this surface. Now we draw this surface, this rectangle. So draw the construction line like this, and this top surface, whatever is the size, that surface is created here. So this is this surface. Then whatever is remaining is this remaining. That will automatically happen. So this L shape is here. Now what are the mistakes? This line is not there. Just like this line should not be there, this line also should not be there. So it is not drawn, which is correct. But this is should not be there, and it is drawn, which is wrong. So this line should not be there. Even this line also they have continued here. So both these lines should not be there. So it should be a continuous line like this. So this should be a line which is continuous like this. Continuous surface like this, which is this. So these are the two mistakes. So what you see, this L and this rectangle, this L and this rectangle. That is the top view. Now we draw the left hand side, right hand side view on the left side, which is not drawn. So you will see here that there should be a figure here. Now this figure is not drawn, which is the left hand side view, which is the right hand side view drawn on the left hand side. So if you look in this direction, whatever you see, that is to be drawn here. Incidentally, it is not drawn, but one way it is good. Because it is not drawn, it is a challenge for you to draw it yourself. So on this side here, you draw a figure which is not given in the book. You are going to draw completely yourself. And even I am also not going to explain to you with all the background information what is given so far. With that information, try to draw the right hand side view of this figure. Let us see how well you can draw. Then make a full attempt. See what you can see. You will see this rectangle, you will see this rectangle L shape. Again, this is a wrong line. You can see this as a complete single surface, no line. And then this surface you will see, this surface. So think over and draw this, making a use of construction lines coming from here and coming from here. These lines you may draw or you may just draw by measurement. So you complete this right hand side view drawn on the left side for this figure. So we are now going to draw certain figures, 6.67. The figures which are given by dimensions, these figures we are going to draw. So we are going to draw this figure, question, answer. This figure 6.68, question, answer. 6.69, question, answer, and one more answer is not given, which you have to draw yourself. So that is the exercise for today's lecture. So we have extended the same topic further, orthographic projections, but we have today seen objects which were slightly more complex than the last time's objects, and in the process we have learned something more. And we also have seen the figures which were given dimensions. So how to draw by making use of dimensions, that is also what we have learned. So we have moved one step further after today's lecture. So have a good look at the lecture. Maybe you can view it again, try to understand them very well, and after that try to attempt these three problems, 6.67, 6.68 and 6.69. Most of them are already given, only this view is not given at all, which you have to draw yourself. Okay, so that becomes the exercise based on today's lecture. Thank you.